Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to change aspect ratio in DaVinci Resolve 18 for Instagram. First of all, open the DaVinci app on your PC and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, open a recent project or just create a new one. Now your editing timeline will be displayed. Here, make sure that the media pool is selected and the view is set to tiles. Now, right-click on the current timeline, select Timelines, and then access the timeline settings. A dialog box will appear on your screen and all of the settings inside will be grayed out. Simply click on this Project Settings box and the settings will now turn back to normal. Here, click on the Resolution menu and select your preferred aspect ratio. For Instagram, the resolution is like a square, so we will use the 1080 by 1080 HD resolution. Once you are done with that, save the settings and you can see that the aspect ratio was changed. Now, you can also zoom into the video in order to get rid of those black borders. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.